Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 2. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed recognition of numbers and money. In this video we will learn counting money. Today our topic is counting money. There are different notes and coins shown. So what amount of money they show? As this is 100 rupee note and this is 20 rupee note. If we add 100 and 20, we get 120. There is another note and this shows 10 rupees. In 120, if we add 10 rupees, we get 130. There is a coin of 5 rupee. In 130, if we add 5, we get 135. But we get 135. Some of the notes and coins are shown here. What amount of money they show? This is a 500 rupee note. As 500 is written on it, this is a 500 rupee note. There is one more note. What amount of money it shows? It shows 100 rupees. In 500, if we add 100 more, we get 600. What we get? We get 600. In 600, if we get 50 more. In 600, if we add 50 more, we get 650. What we get? 650. But there were some more coins here. In 650, if we add 2 rupees. In 650, if we add 2 rupees, we get 652. And there is one more coin of 1 rupee. In 652, if we add one more, we get 653. These notes and coins show 653. What amount of money they show? What amount of money this note shows? It shows 50 rupees as 50 is written on it. This is a 50 rupee note. If we add 20 rupees in 50 rupees, what we get? In 50 rupees, if we add 20, we get 70 rupees. What we get? We get 70 rupees. And if we add 10 more, in 70 rupees, if we add 10, what will we get? We will get 80 rupees. We will get 80 rupees. And there are some coins. As this is a 2 rupee coin, in 80, if we add 2 more, we get 82. And there is one more coin of 1 rupee. In 82, if we add one more, we get 83. We get 83. So these notes and coins shows 83. These notes and coins show 83. What amount of money these notes show? What amount of money these notes show? 500. This is a 500 rupee note. And there is another note of 100 rupee. In 500, if we add 100, we get 600. In 500, if we add 100 more, we get 600. In 600, if we add 20, we get 620. So these notes show 620. These notes show 620. What amount of money these notes are showing? As this is a 1000 rupee note 1000 is written on it. This is 1000 rupee note. In 1000, if we add 500, it makes 1500. In 1000, if we add 500, we get 1500. In 1500, if we add 50 more, we get 1550. 1550. So these notes are showing 1550 rupees. In this video we have discussed counting money. In the next video we will learn shapes name. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.